They say the kitchen is the heart of any home, warm and inviting, a place where family and friends always gather. And that's just the beginning at Hefliger Kitchen Center. First, we carefully listen to what's important to you. You'll get to choose from the finest cabinetry with the help from our award-winning designers. Then start to finish, we'll take care of every detail from design through installation. Visit our showroom today and let the experts at Hefliger Kitchen Center turn your before into the kitchen you only dream of. Hefliger Kitchen Center. Quality and satisfaction is our only goal.